Hey guys, so for today's video will be a quick one. This is how to refund items on your Roblox. So as you can see here in my Roblox interface, go to the Roblox website, roblox.com, and once you're in, sign in, log in, and then go to your account, as you can see, and then click on the top right corner of the screen, click this diamond sign, and then click my transactions. So please note that I have not made any transactions yet, but if you have and you want to refund that item or that transaction, that should show up here. Next thing you're going to go is to the settings option, top right corner again, and then click help. Once you're in, go to this search tab and type in refund, and then click the first option that will appear, unauthorized charges refund requests, and then scroll down to the very bottom, and then as you can see here, need more help, click that, and then here as you can see, you can input your concern, your details, and then your issue details all around here, and then the category and the description of your issue, and then kindly click submit. And then that's it. You guys just gotta wait for their confirmation and your item is refunded. Thank you for watching.